Hey guys, this is Mr. Kirla and we're going to talk about standard form. The standard form for a linear equation, it's an equation in the format ax plus by equals c, where the numbers a, b, and c are integers. Also, as you notice here, the variables x and y are together on the same side, so the coefficients a and b cannot be both 0. So let's do some examples of transforming an equation to the standard form. For our first example, we have y equals 1/5 of x minus 3. We can do this in two different ways. One way we can do is get rid of the fraction. The fraction means dividing by 5. Inverse operation will be multiplying by 5. So we're going to multiply every single term by 5. By multiplication, our new equation is going to look like 5y equals 2. 1 times 5 is 5, divided by 5 will be 1x, minus 3 times 5 will be 15. And now we're going to move x and y together. So we have here add 1x, inverse operation, subtract 1x. Obviously we don't have to write the coefficient 1, but we are writing it just for this example, for the sake of this example. 5y minus 1x equals negative 15. We have equivalent equations to this. If we change the sign of every single one on the left side and the right side, we would have an equation as in negative 5y plus 1x equals positive 15. And we could also have an equivalent fraction as 1x minus 5y equals to positive 15. All three of these equations are equivalent, which means they represent the same equation. They're just written with different coefficients. For a second example, we're going to transform back to slope-intercept form from a standard form. This is an equation standard form. To transform back to slope-intercept form, we want to end up with y by itself. We want to have y isolated on the left hand side. So to do that, we're going to just move 3x first. We have add 3x, inverse operation, subtract 3x. We're going to subtract 3x to both sides. Now when we write the equation in slope-intercept form, we will keep the x first, as in negative 3x, and then we're going to put plus 24 because 24 is a positive number. So we're going to write this in this format, so we have x to identify the slope very easily. And this operation is multiplied by negative 4, inverse operation, divide by negative 4. We're going to divide by negative 4 on both sides. By division, we're going to have negative 3 divided by negative 4. Well, we can't simplify that except for getting rid of that negative sign for the numerator and denominator. And then we will do 24 divided by negative 4, which is negative 6. So we will have the equation y equals 3 divided by 4x minus 6. Again, the standard form of an equation, linear equation, is ax plus by equals c, where a and b are integers, c is also an integer, and x and y are on the same side. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.